वो क्लास में भी कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए थे। कंप्यूटर में आना
Okay, my topic is opportunistic broadcast of warning messages in banners. So first I'll just give the
Number.
index of slides which are important.
Number.
Yeah.
Topic number.
Paper is 11.
Paper number 11.
11. So first, the purpose of paper is given in introduction, like what it is actually. I mean, what is it about? And okay, so problem model description, slide number 8. So this is the basic problem in the paper as to what we are talking about, what we are trying to solve. And next important thing is, I'll just go through the index of slides which are important first. So the next one after problem description, which is continued. So whenever I say any topic, the continued slides are also in that topic. So just think those are also important. And next, overview of opportunistic cast. This is slide number 11. That's continued again. And this is the basic flow chart. You can just look at it. I don't think, I mean, he'll ask any question on the flow chart. So, I mean, for the overview, you can just look at it. Slide number 13. Okay, so the description and example. This is very important. Slide number 14 and 15. 14, 11, 13, 14, 15. And explanation is given in slide 16. The example explanation. Then slide number makeup for reliability. Slide number 19 and the next after that.
makeup for reliability.
Yeah, slide number 19 and 20. Explanation is given after that. I mean, after the slides. I mean, I first included the figures, so I'm telling the figure slide index. So the explanation just you can just go through.
20.
The thing is, this one, the algorithm for makeup, it includes the whole. The next slides after that is a complete explanation. I think almost all the slides after that is a complete explanation. So for the overview, I suggest to look at.
Why don't you discuss what is the basic idea? Why is this paper written?
I'll discuss that. I'm just telling
Okay,
the
first index.
index.
Index is important.
Okay, so slide number 25, and the ones continued after that, the two slides.
Process में कैसे भी बोलते ही रहते हैं ना कि
Okay,
this
so
slide-
this is the important slide index. So now the basic idea is, I suggest you to go to directly slide number 15 example. Okay, slide number 15. In slide number 15, suppose basically you have some vehicles, and if there's any accident or anything which has to be warned to the next coming vehicles, so that is a basic problem which we have. So we are trying to send some packets and trying to warn the coming vehicles or anything. I mean, in the process. So what there are two phases in this. There have been some other methods proposed, but the basic method is this fast forward dissemination. Opportunistic cast is our method, which uses two phases for fast forward dissemination and makeup for reliability. In the fast forward dissemination, it selects a node. Suppose there is a source. Look at the example. Like that red mark is the accident where it happened. So that is a source. So from there the packet will be started. I mean, the dissemination of packet will be started. So in the first phase, that is fast forward dissemination, it just selects one zone. I mean one hop. It does not directly select some, like, you know, just directly select a random vehicle and then forward the dissemination. The one hop zone is formed, that is based on the relay node. Okay, the interested region. So the first thing is, if this one is the source, then from there the interested region starts in the opposite direction, that is towards the back. Okay, so now all the vehicles towards the back has to receive the message. So the one hop zone is formed at some length r. Then suppose that is the vehicle is 5. Then from there, at the same length, another one hop zone will be formed. This is the first phase. And in the second phase, the zone which is formed, that is 1 to 5, the redundant transmissions take place, so that the vehicles in between will also receive the packet. So that is the basic idea.